Licensing protection for expert advisors and indicators on MT4 and MT5 is crucial for developers. With the MQL Secure remote licensing system, you can safeguard your intellectual property effectively. This system allows you to generate unique licenses tied to user accounts, preventing unauthorized use. Imagine having peace of mind knowing your hard work is protected. Plus, it's user-friendly. Just integrate it into your code and you're set. By implementing this, you not only enhance your product's value, but also build trust with your customers, ensuring they receive a legitimate and secure trading experience.